Because, see, I'm from the north. I've never seen so much water in my life. So I'm still stunned by the sea. Like a very fancy date would be at the Sea Lounge at the Taj Kulaba. Yeah. Because you get high tea and, you get cakes and tea and coffee, all of which I love. I love vada pav, Mumbai ka vada pav, so you have to this thing. I love the Mumbai sandwich a lot, without onion. Huh. Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Any favorite restaurants that you remember where you used to hang out regularly or coffee shops?
Prithvi Theatre, the cafe at Prithvi. I used to hang out there all the time. There was a cafe coffee day at the Carter Road Junction. I used to hang out there all the time. And I used to walk on Carter Road on the promenade there, and I used to often be crying because I used to be missing my mom. So I used to be walking and crying, sitting 2 minutes, and then I walk again. There are those kind of memories. But yeah, these two places come to mind a lot.
And any shopping places that you remember where you...
Colaba Causeway. Hot favorite. From Indian things to Western things to eclectic things. I used to love Colaba Causeway. I still do.
And any studios in the city that are very close to your heart? Any memories that come to your mind?
Sure, I would like to mention Famous Studios at Mahalakshmi. Yeah. Because that was such a magical place, there were so many production houses, studios, floors, and Mehboob Studio.
Yeah.
But Mehboob Studio was more for people when you go to shoot there. But for screen tests, there were these few places, there used to be a place called Pioneer Hall in Bandra where I used to go and screen test a lot. Then there used to be a place called Shri Ji Restaurant, I think, in Lokhandwala. There were some audition spaces, screen test spaces above that. So my association with that time is these studios that I used to go and screen test in. Aram Nagar has a whole bunch of studios. I mean, there wasn't so many of them then, but they were enough even then.
And any particular places in the city that, particular areas in the city that are very dear to you?
Kala Ghoda. I love Kala Ghoda a lot. I love it because it's so historically rich. Such beautiful architecture. That entire stretch, Horniman Circle. I've performed in Horniman Garden. I've performed plays there. I think for me, Colaba, US Club, Nofra, that area, Radio Club, that strip, Gateway of India. Because, see, I'm from the north. I've never seen so much water in my life. So I'm still stunned by the sea. There's never a day when it doesn't have some impact on me. I look at it and I'm like, oh my God, so much water. Oh, see, I'll never get over it.
Especially during those days, if you were thinking of a perfect place for, say, a date, like a sweet date, so which would come to your mind?
Like a very fancy date would be at the Sea Lounge at the Taj Kulaba. Yeah. Because you get high tea and, you get cakes and tea and coffee, all of which I love. Otherwise, I love going to Kala Ghoda Cafe. It's not a date place in my mind, but it's very sweet and the food's great. It's got a very charming ambience. I love it. Well, I don't think I went on that many dates at that time. I was just so busy making a living. Yeah. Maybe I went on dates. I don't recall a place as such. Yeah.
And finally, what's the thing that you miss about Mumbai when you're shooting abroad or traveling abroad for a holiday?
I think the people. I really miss the people. I really miss the vibe of the city, which is the people. I really, really miss Mumbai a lot. Anytime I'm abroad, if you ask me, what do I miss more? Do I miss my family? It's a tough one. Do I miss my family? They live in Noida. Yeah. Or do I miss Mumbai? It's a real close one, but I think I'll say Mumbai. Because, it's given me everything I have. My identity, there's a name to my face. It's everything I've ever known as an adult, and all the good and the bad and the ugly and the beautiful, everything's happened here. I love it.
Any particular snacks that you associate with the city?
Lots. I love vada pav, Mumbai ka vada pav, so you have to this thing. I love the Mumbai sandwich a lot, without onion. Huh. Yeah, I love it. I love it. There's no other place that makes that kind of a sandwich. It's my favorite.
And it was great having you. Thank you for doing this.
It's my pleasure. Thank you so much. It really was my pleasure.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.